Alright guys, check this out. These are Old Dutch popcorn twists. I got these on sale. They're at Costco. And check this out. The bag is huge. But these are the ingredients. It's cornmeal, vegetable oil, and salt. That's pretty much it. So, which is actually kind of cool. Yeah, so we'll do a quick taste test. So if you guys don't know, corn is generally gluten-free, so, but it depends on where they make it. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what they look like. There we go. They look like Cheetos without the cheese. Yep. So it's like a Cheeto without the cheese. Pretty much, yeah, pretty cool. So if you like that sort of taste, you're gonna love these. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.